let's make popcorn. Hello, we've done some fairly dangerous things over the years, from grilled cheese toasters.
Oh, it's on fire.
We've had exploding wine bottle corks. Oh. Using a fire extinguisher and a pillowcase to make some dried ice. And let's not forget the chopstick fan whisk. All of those were sort of like accidental dangers that I've learnt from. However, today, I'm actually pretty scared. Popcorn. That's actually my favourite popcorn gadget. It's so simple, I've had it for blooming years. I don't put any oil, any sugar, anything on it. It's a really, actually quite healthy snack if you have it plain like that. However, I found this on eBay for quite a lot of money. A Chinese popcorn cannon that is pressure cooked. I'm really, really scared. And I actually think that I got a pretty bad deal because this is how it has arrived. I think it could be second-hand, you know. 100 quid. But this is basically the main vessel. It looks like some sort of weird trophy, doesn't it? However, in China, in some businesses, they might have it on the shelves or mantelpieces at home. If you're not using it, you'd prop it up like that as a token, a symbol that you've got wealth. You're like, hey, I've got popcorn. Or actually, you've got grain. Hey, check out that guy, he's got grain. I've got this random tin thing. That's a popcorn measurer. I don't know what this is. And of course the instructions don't tell me. I'm gonna have to find a video in a minute. I've got a metal tube and a load of random stuff in here. Some silicone paddy things. I'm not quite sure what they're for. Not gonna use them. A shovel spoon. Feels like more like a doctor's set. I've got a set of tweezers there, which are always useful. Could do with that for my bike, actually. A very weird, angry looking device here, like an implement to hook things out. It's very nice of them to send all this. Some more Allen keys, a spanner, and then this random plastic red and white wheel thing, which I have no idea what I'm doing with. Oh, actually, there's two other things in the box. There's a gold end thing that looks like a bit like a handle, and these are mittens. I guess these are like heat-proof gloves. I've got some more stronger ones than that. Oh, wow. Right, let me show you a video that I found. So I found this chap here online who is from China with the same thing, and he's showing me pouring his popcorn kernels into something I've got very, very similar. Now he's clamping it on and talking about the importance of this top bit. That actually affects this clamp bit there, because if it's too loose it could all fall out. Brilliant. Oh yeah, that's why we got that thing. Definitely. Okay, I'm with it now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay, cool. Right, I just want to do that a minute. We're gonna get this onto here. Is that to sit on there? Ah! Ow! There it is. Popcorn kernels are going in here. What is that? He's got like some sort of lighter paper in his tin. Oh. Fuel oil, mineral fuel, environmental protection, smokeless mineral fuel oil. It did not come with that. All I've got is this. I've not even got the white paper. Damn. I wonder if I could get away with using a tea towel. That's what it is. It's called a chafing fuel can. So they sent me the can, but I haven't actually got any fuel for it. I actually understand with customs, that's probably a really silly thing. So not only have I've not got any lighter fluid either. I've not got anything to light it with. I have just spent the last half an hour Googling chafing cans, and let me tell you, it took me down some very strange avenues indeed. However, I now fully understand it. You need some sort of lamp oil or even like a lighter fluid of some kind, but then you need that sort of wick, something to soak in it that's going to sort of hold and retain that, which is not as easy to get. I have just found these things called liquid or gel chafing fuel packs, which are very popular in the catering industry. They can be little cans that they use on like buffets and things for those big silver platters. I have not really got any of those in my house, so we're gonna go on a road trip. This place is massive. Oh, you need a little tin. I'm gonna have to come here again. They've got every gadget I've ever seen in my life. This is like where proper people shop. But I don't need this many, but maybe I will. Oh my gosh, that place was so fun. And I also took up the opportunity to pick up on the way home from a DIY store some goggles and some leather gauntlets, because I don't know if I trust those gloves, although these could be even worse. It says to wear eye protection, but let's just compare a minute. I've got that whole pack there. I don't need that many. And they said actually at the till, you're really lucky. They normally sell them in packs of 70 plus. Hopefully I just need the one. And it fits in there. Look at that, Cinderella. You shall go to the popcorn ball. There should be a wick there. Ooh. Oh. Place can in a fuel holder. Do not place can directly with a table or tablecloth. Oh gosh. It's actually, there's no wick on this. This is just gel. That should light. I can see a flame. Hopefully you can see that. That is actually a flame there. Oh, actually from this angle, that is much more of a flame now. That is proper going for it. It's quite worrying that I can't see it that well. When you receive the popcorn machine, please search for relevant popcorn operation videos on video websites in the UK and familiarise yourself with the operation guide. Before operating the machine, please wear gloves and goggles. If there are children present, avoid them watching. This is what scares me. It says, bake the pot over a high heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. Look at the pressure gauge at the end, and when the pointer reaches 8, it should leave the ignition source. Low heat cannot cook and will easily burn the popcorn kernels. During operation, keep rotating the popcorn machine to avoid baking on one side. People and popcorn machines operate in parallel. That is a great motto in life. We operate in parallel, mate. Fist bump. And that is literally all the instructions I've got. What? So now this is what... That's what we're trying to achieve. I am genuinely really, I don't know if I can do this. 100 mil. There ain't no way that you're gonna get that popping in there. So my instinct is to listen out for the popping noise, but it's that pressure that we're gonna hopefully create that's gonna drive it out and force it into the bag like we saw there. Right, let's do it. This one's trying to escape. Sorry, buddy. And we can hand tighten it, but we will get Alan on the case. Right. Oh yeah. Let's make popcorn. Here we go. I'll tell you what, we do some fun things here, don't we? It's been a minute. I am really scared. I feel like I'm way too close to it than I should be. We're gonna keep it moving, and I'll see you in a jiffy. I'm gonna try these actually. They feel a little bit more easy to wear. We can see that starting to get charred, so it is definitely getting hot in there. And we'll just keep going. Right. I did prefer the microwave. Oh, the pressure is 0.5. That's good. All right, we're actually up to a pressure of 3 now. Ooh, we're about to hit 5 on the pressure bar. We are getting close now. It has just shot up to 6. Oh my gosh, I'm starting to get scared again now. All right, I don't trust myself, folks. I am going back to the red gloves. It is just about to hit 8. It is just about to hit 8 any minute now. Mrs. B is just literally, you've timed this amazing. We take this off. So this goes in the bag, drawstring that,
Okay.
and then hopefully, oh my gosh, are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Wow!
My life just flashed before my eyes.
Oh! Well, ain't much popcorn, is it? Oh, there's loads in there. That was amazing. I never want to do that again in my life.
My heart feels like it's going to come out my chest. The whole room went filled with smoke.
Did it?
Are your ears okay?
No, I feel like I've just like got off a plane or something. Oh, it's wedged in. There's just, I'm not surprised. There's so much. Ah. 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 Oh. Ah. Ah. I want to have another go.
No.
Oh, I love the stuff in the bag as well, though. Look at this. Oh! Oh! Ugh! My lighter fluid paper! Very kind of them, they did send that.
You had that journey for nothing.
Oh, I want to try it with this now. I do want to try it with this. It's pretty good.
Oh yeah.
We're going to use this. I need to go get some lighter fluid. And I'm going to use less popcorn. I'm going to use half the amount. Because I want to see if I can get it all out of that bag. Right. I'm only doing it again because of this.
I can't believe that was in there the whole time.
It's sort of slightly melted. I love the speckled effect on some of them. So the plan is, this is going to be the top. That is completely soaked in lighter fluid. It blooming stinks. I'll stick that on there. Wash my hands. This could go quite big. Oh my gosh. Ugh. There we go. Wow. That's better. Look at that for a flame. Right, I've gone for half the popcorn kernels this time. Put the lid on there just to exhaust that out. And yeah, just one of these. There we go. Ah, that's better. That's better.
That's better.
Oh no! Oh no! I just blew the. Oh.
It's going black.
Oh, it's going black. It's going black. It's going black. Oh dear. I blew it. We'll give it a go one more time. This time I'll blow the match that way. I know it's lit again. Ah! No! I don't know. Should I just go for it? It looks... Oh, this is looking a bit dangerous, isn't it? I'm suddenly looking at something like I don't want to put on my mantelpiece. So it should be done a lot quicker. But I am going to watch these flames because they're going a little crazy here. And I'm losing my lovely ornament effect that I really wanted. Do you know what? Yeah, that's going way too dark. I'm going to get rid of that, actually. Sorry, guys. Oh, I have got another oil, actually, in the shed. Oh, hang on. Well, that's cleaned up fairly well. Maybe that's why you have it on your mantelpiece, to show the battle scars that we were talking about. I don't know. And this is some lamp oil. Let's try this then. If not, we will go back to our gel, which didn't ironically look like it had a flame at all, but obviously did work. Oh, there we go. That's a bit more gentle. Ah, much more romantic. Well, I guess we'll find out. It's actually a much more milder flame, that. Ah, and remember, it said to turn it that way as well. I don't like the look of this. It's just looking really sooty, and we've already proven that it works. That bit's quite fun though. This cleaned up really well, and I'm kind of like protective of it. I want it to don't want to be covered in soot. So what I actually quite like is my random road trip this morning, where we bought the gel. That is so much cleaner and like odor free. I promise you there's a flame there. It's not as exciting to look at, but as we know, it should do the job. So with half the popcorn in there, and I thought the clear Big Mac was intense. You just don't want to be mucking around with stuff like this, really. All right, here we go. We are back at the 8. Oh! Absolutely bonkers, isn't it? And again, there's still a little bit of popcorn sat in there, but I actually quite like that as a serving vessel. In conclusion, this popcorn's a little bit stale now, but I am much more comfortable making popcorn in this. However, I cannot deny this was really fun. It could be a cool little party trick, perhaps. Use it with caution. I was genuinely super scared to even just do that release, and hopefully you can see why. It was pretty epic in here. I had my eyes closed both times, but I felt like there was still a smoke afterwards. Really fun, and these things, they exist, and they're obviously part of culture, and you know, this might just sit on my mantelpiece for a little while. Oh, I don't have one of those. Cheers, guys. It's one of those videos that I'm like, you know what? I did that and I'll never want to do it again.